Hey everybody, welcome back. So in the last video I tried to speak really soft because it was ASMR, but I feel like my voice kind of got drowned out by the dishes and all the sounds in the video, so I decided to speak up a little bit more this time. This is part 2 of cleaning my dishes. It's definitely a process, at least for me. So I didn't speed up the parts of me putting on the gloves as requested many times. So here I am fitting the glove to each finger. Slowly but surely. And then here I am just taking all of the silverware out of the dishwasher because let me tell you, have you done several loads and just was too lazy to take out any of the silverware? And I've been eating by picking out a fork from the dishwasher each time. That's how lazy I was to put it away. Like putting away silverware is like my least favorite chore ever. But I decided I would do it today for you guys, so you're welcome. And whatever didn't get cleaned, I just throw back in the sink like last time. I had a lot of ceramic containers, or whatever you call those, plastic containers that I was juggling, so if it looks like my sink is overflowing, that's why. Those also got left in the wash several times, and I'm finally dealing with it. But I hope you just enjoy the water sounds and the clinking sounds and whatever else you like to hear. The water sounds, the club sounds, all in there. Cleaning out the microwave. And my phone died on me, so I changed my gloves. So here's another clip to enjoy me putting on the gloves for a second time. And yes, I use a lot of soap when I do my dishes, probably too much, but don't judge me. change. Again, I'll slow this down for y'all. Every time I do the dishes, I think of that Drake and Josh episode where Walter asked Megan, what's your favorite part of doing the dishes? Scrubbing, rinsing, or drying? And she was like, oh gee, they're all so exciting, it's hard to pick. But I will tell you, drying them is my least favorite. And obviously scrubbing is my favorite. And here's the drying part. And if any of you in the comments have a better way to do dishes, please let me know. Thank you all for watching, and make sure to like, share, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. See ya.